Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Thursday, the 23rd of April. This is my daily recap, my weekly recap as well. Um, I am leaving for vacation. I'll be back in a week. So, to everybody in my room, thank you so much. I'll catch you guys in a week. Um, for everybody else, I won't be posting much on Twitter over the next week except some fun pics. So let's talk about where we're at here today in this market today. And this market was extremely dead. We had extremely low volume. And then we had this big spike in activity off of a couple of Iran headlines. And the bottom line is the market has bought it all back. The VIX, which had spiked well above 20 to almost 22, is right back under 20. And it's saying, yeah, but not so bad. When you look at the SPY, right, the SPY is saying, yep, look, came down, just missed touching the 8-day and bounced all the way back up, touched the all-time highs today. Wide range candle, first wide range candle. One thing I want you to notice about the SPY here is it's saying we've done 45 million shares. This volume all came in on those headlines starting right here. We were at 18 million shares coming into 1 o'clock, right? So you get the idea that there was just no volume, zero, zilch, right? Overall, the SPY remains fine. Crude did spike, worth talking about here, and it is back up over 95 and holding. Okay, we'll see. The Nasdaq, the QQQs, hit another new all-time high today, and it continues to hold well. And this market is hanging in. The SMHs here, new all-time highs again. We've been saying this every day. Today it was AMD again, Marvel, Texas Instruments after a huge earnings report last night. Help me out here. Avgo was also all-time highs today. Uh, Micron, I think, hit an all-time high today. You guys get the idea. Marvel, Avgo, right? All good. Nvidia, they just don't want to let it go. It tried to go again today and they smacked it back down. I am now out of Nvidia calls here as I'm going on vacation. I am also now out of Apple calls here, which I traded another one that is getting closer to that all-time high. Amazon, they did let hit all-time highs today. So there it is. It finally hit it. I did trim 1/3 of my stock position from the 143 area into this. Google still looks very well set up as we go here. The other thing to talk about today was IGV, and IGV was a train wreck. Um, they did not like that ServiceNow report. ServiceNow got killed, and they were looking for ServiceNow to say everything is great, it's better than great, it's stellar to alleviate the fears that AI is taking over the sector, and that is not what ServiceNow did. Their report was messy, it wasn't great, it just wasn't good. So the whole sector came down here, IGV, and I would watch this as we go on here into next week. Uh, what else is going on out there? Palantir, right? Also a big down candle today. Salesforce, a big gap down and drop. You guys get the idea. Bitcoin, I'm still long some June IBIT calls, which I'm holding on to. But Hood got absolutely punished today. Coin, they're not in these names. They're not breaking out right now. The banks were weaker today. Nothing going on there. We saw strength today in names like Costco and Walmart. So my friends. So tomorrow morning, I'll put it open and I'll put some screens up for you. Chris will be in Discord with you guys for the next week. I'll probably stop in with the occasional shoot a video for you guys as well. Next week is a big week in terms of you have the Fed next week on Wednesday. I don't expect much from that, and it's just earnings. You have just one of the biggest earnings weeks of the year. Um, so, I mean, just watch those names for what they do, and they're going to tell you who's in play. So, just keep in mind, you got names like Visa and Hood and Starbucks, Spot, Coke, UPS, SoFi. Wednesday night is Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, and Google, Qualcomm, Chipotle, Carvana, right? All these just on Wednesday night alone. Lilly, MasterCard, Cat, Merck on Thursday morning, Apple, Reddit, Rivian on Roblox, Roku for solar on Thursday night, and Friday morning you got your big energy companies like Chevron and ExxonMobil. Might still think that this war is going to get resolved one way or the other in the next week or so, and just stay patient, stay there. If it's not tomorrow, maybe it's over the weekend into early next week, and we'll see. With that said, guys, I'll be checking Discord for private messages if you need me and stuff daily. So everybody have a great one, and I'll catch you guys back on the May 1st.